Welcome back to the channel, ladies and gents. In today's video we go behind the golf range. If you don't know where that is, that's near the O2 Arena, to an amazing spot where usually people skate or they do music videos. However, today we are going to do a photo shoot and video shoot, but things took a very unexpected turn. Watch the video to find out what happened. And yes, you know, we took some absolutely incredible looking photos, and yes, they were edited by me. So remember, if you see them on social media, give them a like, and also like, share and subscribe to the channel, please. It goes a long way and it's totally free. Enjoy the vid.
Interesting start today. Got a bunch of police. Look at my bike. I can't even move it. I can't go where I need to go because I know I'll get told off. Kind of funny. So yeah.
A few moments later.
Well, just had a good chat with the feds. I am not in trouble. This will be a sick spot to shoot. All this will be sick. Yeah, this whole area will be sick to shoot. So, we are here. We are here. This is the spot, you guys. Damn, it's messy today. People just trashing the place. God damn it. And that water is looking crazy green. Hell no, we don't want to drop down there. No way.
Alright, so 2020-2021 PANIGALE V4S forged carbon wings at the front. We had forged carbon on the tank, although one side was lost. The tank will be full forged carbon, so I'm not really too concerned. But look at that rear tyre, the rear lights, the bike just looks perfect. In my opinion, it's probably the best looking bike on the market. Once again, my opinion. But I love the forged carbon. Now we're going to have a close-up of it. It looks fantastic. Those wings are only temporary though. Even these fairings are only temporary. So now onto the pics. Tons of stunning pics, different angles, nice backdrop, and the edits are cool. So yeah, like the vid just for that, guys.
Well, that is a photo shoot and video shoot wrapped. You guys can see the bike here at this lovely location. Bike is there looking stunning. We're at the range. This thing is insane. Anyway, you guys will see the content soon. It looks absolutely amazing. And we are getting out of here because it is cold. 2 gloves might be a bad idea. Definitely not a good one. So we're gonna walk the bike out of here. Oh, wait. I need the other strap on. Can't do it like this. Right, so we're walking out, guys. We did a shoot for some of the merch.
Remember when I took that video and the lights were on? Let me show you. Whoa, hold on, let me explain. So yes, I stupidly made the rookie error of leaving the ignition on the whole period of time we were shooting the photos and the videos. Meaning, the lights were left on, meaning I killed the battery of the bike. It was totally flat, so yeah, things went downhill quickly.
It was at this moment that he knew. He f***ed up.
Six and a half hours later.
But as you lot can see, it's dark out, and I was stranded there for hours with a dead battery, because while we were shooting, for some reason my battery decided to flatten when it really shouldn't have. So I'm peed off is an understatement, but I'm freezing outside for hours, man. Something told me today, put on a long sleeve, Vav. I'm so glad I did, because I am frozen. Oh, it's freezing. Oh, jeez, man. You guys, I am tucking because I am frozen. Hope you guys can see, because I really don't know if you can, but hey, I'm freezing, so yeah. Guys, shoot is done. I'm dying, I'm cold. We're gonna end it here. I might get a few clips when I'm blowing on the motorway for a bit, but that's it, because I'm cold, man.